in-text citations and running citations. So an in-text citation looks like this. And notice this person has an in-text citation after a paraphrase. So this is not in quotation marks. It's just his own words, but he uses information that didn't come from his own head. So it says he was deported twice from France last year following violence around Russia's match with England at the European Championship and has been accused of posting far-right symbols on social media. So paraphrase, author's last name. And then here we have a quote, and then again, author's last name in an in-text citation. And then again, another quote, in-text citation. So very well done. So that's an in-text citation. However, if you wanted to do a running citation, then you would say, like right here, some organizations are also doing things about racism and some aren't. Ellingworth claims that the Russian Football Union Disciplinary Committee, however, has said it didn't detect a single racist incident in any of the top 3 divisions in this season. And then you don't need the in-text citation. Then make sure the period goes before the parentheses in this case. I mean, before the quotation marks. So that's an in-text citation. That's a running citation. Down here, we have the source citation. Make sure you always put the first word of the source citation in parentheses. In this case, it's all the author's last names. If there was no author, for example, if it looked like this, then this is what would go in the parentheses, the title. Okay, so that's your little overview of in-text citations, running citations, source citations, all of that fun stuff. Thanks for listening.